Question 1. The figure is made out of 4 identical isosceles triangles in a square. Calculate the area of the shaded part. So in order to calculate the area of the shaded part, we will need to find the area of the square and the area of all these unshaded triangles. So in order to find the area of the unshaded triangle, we will need the height and the base. So for the bigger unshaded triangles, we have the base. And now we need to find the height of the triangle. So we realize that there are 2 of these unshaded bigger triangles. And since all these shaded isosceles triangles are identical, we know that these 2 triangles are also identical. So their height, sorry, let me redraw that. So the sum of the 2 heights of these triangles will be equals to 20 cm. So the height of one triangle would be 20 cm divided by 2, which is 10 cm. Okay, now moving on to our smaller unshaded triangles. We know that this length here is 12 cm, and since this is a square, this total length over here would be 20 cm, which means that the length of the base of these smaller unshaded triangles would be, first we have to take 20 cm minus 12 cm, and that gives us 8 cm. And we have to take 8 cm divided by 2, since there are 2 of these lengths. And this gives us 4 cm. So now we know that the length of the base of the smaller unshaded triangles is 4 cm. So over here, we know that this will also be 4 cm, and this would be 12 cm. And this would also be 4 cm. Okay, so now we can start solving the question. Okay, so we know that the area of the big unshaded triangle, which is this triangle over here, the bigger one, you know that this would be half times base times height. So the base is 12 cm. And we know that the height is 10 cm. So half times 12 times 10 gives us 60 cm squared. So now let's find the area of the smaller unshaded triangle, which is this triangle over here. And this would be half times base times height, which is half times 4 times 4. And this gives us 8 cm squared. Okay, so now we can find the total unshaded area. So total unshaded area would be 4 times area of big unshaded triangle plus 4, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 4 times area of small unshaded triangle. So this will leave us with 4 times 60 cm squared plus 4 times 8 cm squared. So this is equivalent to 272 cm squared. Okay, so now let's find the area of the square. So area of square is simply length times length, and we know that the length is 20 cm. So 20 cm times 20 cm gives us 400 cm squared. So now we can find the area of the shaded part. So area of shaded part would be area of the square minus the total unshaded area. So 400 cm squared minus 272 cm squared will give us 128 cm squared. So this is your final answer.